In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to turn off and also how to restart your iPhone 15. Now I have the 15 Pro Max here, but these instructions should work on all the iPhone 15 models. So I'll show you three methods. So the first method is using the side button and volume up button. Okay, so this is the volume up. You can see these are the volume rockers. This is the volume up button. This is the action button, the new one in the iPhone 15, which I'll be making videos about, so check them out. This is volume up and volume down. So what you want to do is press and hold the side key and volume up buttons simultaneously, and you have to press and hold. Okay, so side key, volume up, press and hold. 1, 2, go. When you press and hold for about 3 to 5 seconds, you should see the power menu appear on your screen. You'll also feel a slight vibration on the iPhone. So here, to switch off your phone, simply use this button and swipe it to the right hand side. Give it like about 10 seconds and your iPhone should switch off. Just to be sure, give it about 30 seconds. Okay, and now the iPhone is completely off. To switch on your iPhone, long press the side button, this one right here. So long press until you see the Apple logo appear on your screen, then you can let go and allow the iPhone to boot up. Might take a couple of seconds, so just be patient. There you go. So the iPhone is now on. Of course, it's going to require my passcode every time I switch it on. And also my SIM pin, because I have a SIM pin. And that's it. So we've now turned off and started, which is basically how to restart. So let me show you two other methods. Okay, so another method is side button and volume down. Okay, so again, press and hold simultaneously. So 1, 2, go. Press and hold, side button and volume down, and again that gives us the power menu. And of course, once again, you can use that to slide all the way, and that will switch off your iPhone. Now I'm just gonna skip that or cancel that so I can show you the third method. And the third method uses the interface. So go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to general, tap on that, and then scroll down on the general page. To the bottom there, you should see the option to shut down. So if you tap on that, again, it brings the power menu and you can slide to power off, and that's going to switch off your iPhone. So those are the three ways of switching off and restarting your iPhone 15. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.